How to change Threads profile picture. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Threads step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Tap on the Threads app to open it. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Threads profile page. Once you're on your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button. This will open the Profile Settings menu. Tap on your current profile picture at the top. You'll see options to either take a new photo or choose from your gallery. Select the image you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you're happy with it, tap Done or Save to confirm the change. Go back to your profile to check if the new picture is updated. If it doesn't change instantly, try closing and reopening the app. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.